See the new set of animal up on the farm, peeps. Come on, get some. Wow, go on the YouTube, man. Manners and respect again, man. I see it. Welcome to my channel, man. I see it. Big up on the 7 subscribers. Big up to all of the viewers, them. Big up to who just are tuning in. I see it. So I do various videos for my channel, my peeps. Cooking vlog, investment vlog. Don't more, man. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yes, my great peeps, so I go down at the pig pen and now you see me. Nice little rooster there. Manners and respect, my peeps. Once more again, man, welcome back to the video, you know. Welcome back to my channel. So I go on for the Duroc boar, you know. Yep, my peeps. Duroc boar, you know. 4 months, my peeps, you see me? Yes, I no feed him yet, man. I just in a penny and wash out the pen. Still have the push broom, same way, see bucket here. Empty, you see me? Just don't wash out the pen, my peeps. Yeah, man, I go now update on the Duroc boar, you see me? No? Yeah, man, some food him want and now, man. See all him head out the door. You know, they say I look for the food enough, and you know, so I always forward I get this up. What I'm saying? Eh? What are you, boy? Big boy? Soon get your food, man. Down. Come down, man. Come down. Come down. Go back, sir. Go back, sir. Alright, my peeps, catching on me and show some feeding and pennies, see me? Yeah, man, Duroc boy, my peeps. Yeah, my peeps, out the door, me them on, so. I get the feed me, see me? That one half feed, man, that one half for the guilt. But the boar with them on the day, you know what I mean? Yes, I. In this man. I'm going crazy for your food. I smelling, you know. Alright, I soon get my boss. I soon get. I look at ground feed. On the floor, I feed him, and that's why I wash out the pen. Yeah, man, if I tune into the video, man, you see how I go on every time, you know. Yeah, man, I can respect my peeps. And I show the feeding in the pen and no feed. Open the gate, you know. Step in, you know. Come down, man. Just go back. Just. Yeah, my pigs. Pig grow pellet this, you know? Yeah, man. Go on, eat big boss. what you put out, you know, my peeps, and what you get back, you know? Yeah, man. 2 times a day. 2 times a day, I feed the pigs and my peeps. Yeah, man, just check out the channel, man, and you'll get all of them information then, the videos, them, you see me? Yes, my great peeps. Yeah, man, see the new set of animal up on the farm, my peeps. Yeah, man, get some new birds, you know. So we have chicken on the farm and we have some, them call it pigeon. Yeah, man, let's see, pray. Yes, peeps. Yeah, my great peeps, man, and my son pigeon them, you know. Yeah, man, so I feed them with rice and corn more time. Dozen of them, my peeps. Much of that ground? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that ground. I think now I can't see the whole dozen of them, so one more that's in a corner. 7. 7, what's that on the stick? 2 days out of 9. And 3 days on the 6 and 9 and 3 at 12, my peeps, you know. Yeah, man, so water want change. Son still asleep in a bed, my peeps, so as soon as him wake him up, come deal with them thing them, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, my peeps, manners and respect, man. Oneness, peeps.